Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I have for you an unboxing, review, and demonstration of this nifty 3000 RPM electric nail file. Now this nail file is available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below for you, and the seller is called UPODA if I am pronouncing it correctly. Now let's go ahead and start with the unboxing, and then we'll continue with the review and demonstration. Okay guys, so now that I've had a chance to look around, get myself familiar with the product, what's included, etc., let's now talk about it. So let me go ahead and show you. This is the name of the seller on Amazon right here. If I did not already mention it, I will have the link to this nail drill down in the description bar below, so you guys can go check it out. It's currently listed at under $50. Now, so as you can see, it has a nice gold finish. This is more of a satin plastic cover on the top. Actually, it looks like it goes all the way around. It's got some rubber feet here for good stability. It doesn't shift around when you're working with it. And it has a place here where you can put your drill bits, and these are the ones that, by the way, came with the drill, with the inside the box. That, yeah, they had, the case had opened and they went all over the place, but I went ahead and put them here together. And then let me go ahead and show you. So here on the side, it included this plastic little kind of mini cup that slips right here on the side, and this holds your handpiece. Okay, it holds it right there for easy access. Now, oh, I see. Just notice that it's on either side. You didn't notice that before. Now let's look at here at the back. Here it has some ventilation. So this is the back, but I immediately noticed the fuse. I have reviewed quite a few other nail drills or electric files, and my personal one that I have been using the longest, it's a Mani Pro by Coupa. I have not noticed others to have this, a fuse, and that's good, guys, because in the case of that there is excessive voltage or current, that fuse will blow up, and that's to keep you from doing further damage to the unit. Okay, so it's nice to see it easily unscrews and you can replace it. Okay, and this appears to be a standard size fuse. I mean, I have seen them. If you guys are around hardware, you can see these in the hardware store. Let's screw this back in. Now what I am telling you is from knowledge, it's from research, because in instruction paper I was looking for anything that made mention of this fuse, since I did notice that it had one, and I did not see that it made any mention of the purpose of the fuse, so that's why I figure I will mention it. And I see here, so I have it on the off position now, but you have the option of having it for foot pedal or the handpiece. Okay, so one for the handpiece, 2 for the foot pedal, or centered 0 for nothing, so neither one. So that's another good safety feature. This cord I measured to be just about 4.5 feet long, so it's pretty comfortable for my workstation. Now turning it around, taking a look here at the front. So here's the dial. Okay, it has a dial for going from 0. Goes from 0 to 3000 RPMs. LED, the red LED light on off switch on the front. And yes, here you can see it does have forward and reverse. That is a plus. You gotta have that on an electric file. And then here's where the handpiece connects. This is the type of connection that I personally prefer. And as far as weight, so this weighs, it says on the box, 1.2 kilograms, which comes out to about just 2.5 pounds, just 2.6 pounds. So it does have a good weight to it, which is good. So again, it doesn't slip around on your desk area. And here's the pedal, the foot pedal. I personally do not use the foot pedals myself. I measured this cord to be over 4.5. Oh, it's almost 5 feet long for the cord. Now let's take a look at the handpiece. Okay, so here's the handpiece right here. You can see there's the connector how it connects to the base. And yes, so it has the coil wired. Some people like these types, some people don't. My very first nail drill had a coil cord like this, and I kind of found the discomfort of it because it seems to get caught on things. Then my Coupa Mani Pro, it has just a straight cord, and I prefer that. So yes, in comparing this between the coil one and the straight one, I personally prefer the straight cord. This does have the dial lock for the bit, which I love. My Coupa does not do that. It's pressured. So here, this is already tight, and it does have a safety bit there for your shaft. So you turn it, so there you turn it to the other side, and it releases the shaft so you can remove your bit. I personally like that better than the pressure one, so yes, I'm happy to have this one that does that. And this, I don't find it heavy. I mean, it's similar, just about the same as the one that I currently have. And it did also included this purple plastic stand for the handpiece for placement. Remember that you also have this little cup here where you can just keep it all on in one unit. So let's go ahead. As you can see, I have removed my Easter nails. My right hand has already been completely manicured, and Cinderella is ready to go to work. I removed all the 3D elements from my left hand, and remember, so this is polygel. This is iMilly polygel sculptured nails. So what I'm going to do to demonstrate the use and test this out, how it works out with bits on my nails, and we'll put it to test. I will go ahead and start out by removing these colors, but yeah, I thought it will be a good test to at least remove the color from my nails. So let's go ahead and try that. guys, so there you saw the demonstration of this electric nail file. Now here are my nails. All I've done was just put some cuticle oil on top of them, and yes, so I went ahead and I took the opportunity to show you, to demonstrate the electric file on removing the polish off of these two nails because I have product under them. So I used just the band for this one because it's, you know, I was just removing gel, and it's a soft product. And then I used my other ceramic drill bit that I personally had to remove it from here, and the others I just popped them off so I was not able to salvage them as I thought I would, but that's fine. I mean, they did exactly what I wanted them to do. Now, as far as the use, I like using this. So it did not have much vibration at all, and it did not isolate. So very good handpiece right here for this electric file. And also, I wouldn't consider it to be super loud. I thought it was just fine. This right here on the front is where the foot pedal connects. I did fail to mention that, okay? So that is it. This video was not meant to be an educational video on how to use an electric nail file, bits or anything like that. There are other videos that are great resources for that. I am not a professional. I work very slow on myself to avoid any harmful use of the device. Okay, now if you guys have any questions about this, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that this is available on Amazon, and I will have the link down in the description bar below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would like to thank UPODA, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, for sending me this awesome nail drill to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.